I have a super awesome dish that you're gonna love. I'm gonna show you how to make it. We take burger, we take cheese, we take some barbecue sauce, some sweet onions, we throw it in some dough, and it's gonna turn out awesome. It's super awesome that you stopped by the channel. I'm Mike and you're at Delmarva Backyard. If you haven't been here before, hit the subscribe button down below. You get to see awesome videos to do with food, beer, and product reviews.
Anytime we're talking about a good burger, we have to be talking about fried onions also. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna cut this onion up, get it in the frying pan. I'm gonna use a smokehouse oil to saute the onions, and that's gonna give it a nice little smoky flavor.
This is more onions than we'll need. I'm just gonna brown these up a little bit. It's just about a pound of my hamburger mix. You know, use whatever hamburger you want. Make your own. If it's any more fatty than 80-20, it's gonna leak out of the dough. So try to keep it, you know, somewhat lean. You can use a store hamburger mix. Obviously, the higher quality, the better it's gonna end up. About the size of a golf ball. And then you flatten it out.
All right, so after you get all your little burgers made up and get them into the frying pan, you're gonna put a little bit of that smokehouse oil on top of them. I know they don't need it, but it's just gonna give them that little bit of smoky flavor. I love teaching my kids new things. I peeled my son off his Xbox, taught my little man how to cook little burgers. It was an awesome time.
The hamburgers are done, the onions are done. Now come the biscuits. I have just regular store-bought biscuits, buttermilk, flaky biscuits, and the buttermilk layered biscuits. And what do you think we're gonna do with the biscuits?
Biscuits? Oven?
But we're gonna do something before we put them in the oven.
I don't know, I'm clueless.
That's right. Let's get these biscuits rolled out and he's gonna find out. There's one. There we go. There's two. Let me show you what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a biscuit that we rolled out, put a burger in it, put some seasoning in it, put some of the onions we cooked inside of it, place a piece of cheese that I just cut up, and this is Wisconsin white cheddar. And then we're gonna seal it with our egg.
It's not spicy.
Salt and pepper, and a little Stubbs beef.
This?
Put a little egg on there. Burger bomb. And throw some onions on there.
All right, so tip here, make sure when you're putting your sauce on that you only put a little bit. If you get any sauce where you're trying to seal the biscuit, it will not seal properly.
We have our first 8 in the kitchen fryer. We're gonna put it in at 350.
Now look, drizzle a little butter over top of these things. Dip them in whatever sauce you want to, some barbecue, some ketchup or whatever. And my goodness, you got a little piece of heaven right there. Oh man, you got to try these burger bombs.
I really appreciate you sticking around to watch the whole video. Check out these other videos over here. You may very well be interested in those also. The inspiration behind the videos is your feedback. And the best way to give me your feedback is to hit the like button down below Most importantly, hit the subscribe button down below, and you can also leave comments. I can't wait to see you next time.